Hi guys, thank you for coming back, guys. Welcome back to the show. This is a 2017 BMW X1 25i. So we're gonna be changing the purge valve with associated to the vent valve and all that kind of stuff. Is right located right on the top here, guys. So this is right here. And we gotta replace our parts. So guys, I already prepped these already. So all we gotta do, guys, squeeze this tab. Don't take it out from here, because you'll need that extra turning force to get it up. So you squeeze at the side. And guys, you gotta lube these. I lube this already with WD-40. So lube your stuff first, and don't do this in a cold condition, because it will break the lines, because these lines are very brittle when they're too cold on a minus. So those are people in Canada and all cold places, be careful. Okay, so we squeeze the line here and we pop this up. Just squeeze the two tab on the two side. Careful not to break this, guys. We don't want to break any lines. Yeah, because we don't want to break any line. So this one have a tab here, guys, and if you have like a tool for the, you know, those tools that you take out the fuel pump lines, you can squeeze here, or either put a screwdriver and push this side and pull. So I already prepped this, guys. So you squeeze this tab and you pull to this side, so that pop this line up. And guys, remember, leave this on the base, because you need the extra strength to pull the lines. So guys, this one too, you squeeze at the bottom and then you pull to the side, and that's how you get this one out. Because we have our electrical connection right here that we disconnect prior, pull the clip up, pull it to the back. So without any further ado, we're gonna put the line in, and we have the new rubber. So take this rubber out, and then we're gonna spray some lube, as we talked about before. Guys, we need a little bit more light here, because we don't want to get 4K without pretty light. So okay, so as we say, guys, we're gonna put a little bit of lube on all our ends and all our connection and all that stuff. So we're gonna rest this, connect back the lines, which is here. It's hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna connect this line first, because it's in the back, and push the clip. So that's clip, and we're gonna put back this one in the base, because as I said, guys, we need a base to press down on top of that one. So we're gonna put this back in the base, right like this. Pull back this line, right? So we got this line here. We're gonna push this up and make sure you have a click. That's a click, guys. And then this one we're gonna push here. Make sure we get a click, guys. There we go. And this one now, we're gonna get, I'm coming. We're gonna pull this line apart. That's where we're gonna take it back out of here to get the leverage. We're gonna put this line like this, and then we'll put it back in there. I'm gonna push it up till we have a click, and then we're gonna do that with a screwdriver till we get a click. There we go. So guys, this is how you change this one, the PCV valve, vent valve, and the 2018 BMW X1. So guys, if this helped you along the way, please consider subscribing, and guys, don't forget to always lube these lines before you move them, because if you don't, you're gonna break them. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.